I am going to tell you about the world's most famous and most favorable robot of the year. And it is Miko too. So we are opening it, and here comes Miko out of it. This is the book for the reference, and we remove it. As you can see at the box, it is emotional, educational, entertainment, yes, and many things more. So it is switch off. We on it, and you can see it in some seconds. So as you can see, this is his ears. It also has tires, and it is waking up. He has waken up. See how cute he is. He's contacting to the server, and now I'm going to give him an order. Hello, Miko.
Hi, Arian. It's great to see you.
As you can see, my name is Aryan, and he has told my name telling hi. He has many features, and I can show you.
The architect of the Taj Mahal is \PRN equals @HM @1D equals Lowry.
So he has answered the question I gave him from this box. We can give many boxes, questions like this. This is the battery, and it is connected to a Wi-Fi. This is the game hub. It has many games in it. Many games in it. This is the settings. This is the knowledge world. In it, you can see knowledge world has opened. There are many topics to talk about with Miko, like health, travel, fun, nature, study, sports, event, people, test, favorites, revision. In revision, they will take all revision what you have learned in it. And this is India, the last option. This is autopilot, and we have ended the video. Thank you.